Seriously, who gives a rat's behind what I sleep on at home? Hi, it's America's Beducator, Jeff Shire. Hey, I get asked this question all the time. People say, what do you sleep on at home? And my common reply is, well, it doesn't matter what I sleep on, it's what's important to you. The only people that matters on for me is my wife and myself. So just like you shouldn't care what I have at home to pick a mattress, you also shouldn't care about what your neighbors sleep on, what your in-laws sleep on, what your hairdresser sleeps on, what Katy Perry sleeps on, or what Tom Brady sleeps on. And last of all, you really shouldn't care what a salesperson says they sleep on, because chances are they're just telling you whatever they think that you want to hear in order to get you to make a sale, or they're pushing whatever they've been told to push for that particular week. And while I'm on the topic, star ratings, when you're looking to pick out a mattress, ignore this tripe. Who cares what somebody thinks an opinion of a product after they've had it for a few weeks? You know, somebody has a bed and they give it a 1-star rating after 2 weeks. My bed is too hard. Well, what did you choose? Well, I chose the Extra Firm Super Deluxe Concrete Model 4000. Well, no kidding, the bed is hard. That's what you chose. So that doesn't mean it's a lousy bed that it gets a 1-star rating. You should give yourself a 1-star rating for choosing a poor product, or maybe you went to a store with lousy salespeople where they were salespeople instead of consultants, and they steered you in the wrong direction. But that doesn't mean that the mattress itself necessarily is a poor quality product. It's more a poor judgment situation right there. So if you want to know what I sleep on for a mattress, I'll tell you, even though it's insignificant. I sleep on an all latex product, and on top of that I have a latex topper, and on top of that I have a wool topper. So I have a pretty plush product, but it turns out that through my amateur athletic career, I have a lot of pre-existing conditions, a lot of old athletic injuries, and I sleep on my side, and I need something that's soft and contours well to my body. So that's what I need. So does that sound like you? Does that sound like your situation? Have you had over 20 orthopedic surgeries from your old athletic days? Is this your somatotype? If so, you're one lucky individual. Hopefully you've got a little more hair on your head. Hopefully you're a dude, or at least you self-identify as one. So now, what do you focus on when you're picking out a mattress? You need to focus on you, what's best for you. You need to find a store, or if you're shopping online, find somebody online who is an expert, who's knowledgeable about componentry, who has some good sleep ergonomic information, and they need to be able to listen to what you have to say first, and then they need to be able to teach you about componentry and help guide you to find something that uses components that are high quality, have the durability that you're looking for, and are most appropriate for your very specific needs, your sleeping style, everything that is unique to you. It doesn't matter what somebody else has. You need to know what's going to work best in your particular situation. So if you've ever listened to Dave Ramsey, he says, find people who have the heart of a teacher. And that's what you want. You want somebody that helps to teach you, not somebody that tells you what to do, but somebody that helps guide you through that situation. Now, when you buy a mattress, don't treat it as a commodity. Don't buy it at a once-in-a-lifetime, except for next week, sale. It's not something that you buy on President's Day. It's not something you buy on Groundhog's Day. It's not something that you buy on National Left-Handers Day sale, although my wife would probably do that. She's left-handed. It's something, again, that has a direct impact on your health. It's not a commodity. It's an overall component of your restoration. And we know that this has a direct impact upon your health. So don't treat shopping for a mattress lightly. It's something that you really want to take your time at and pick out a good quality product. So forget about what Cousin Timmy has, and forget about what all the ladies say that they sleep on in your knitting club, but focus directly upon you, your componentry, and ignore those star ratings. Don't listen to what salespeople say on a sales floor. They're the last people that you need to listen to. And don't listen to some guy with a beducation video online telling you what kind of bed to buy, which I won't. That's not what I do. Focus on componentry. Focus on quality. Focus on durability. Focus on you.